And it's enough to reach right into your heart and pull out all of your emotions. It's to initiate the tangi process. Just before we were talking about hongi, right? Now think about the etymology of the word hongi. It's comprised of two words, ho, like in the words homai and hoatu. It's reciprocation, hapai? So giving and receiving. So it's not a one-way thing, hongi. It's evidently a two-way thing because of the use of the term ho. But ngi is a word that's in lots of our words, right? Think about it, te rangi, hangi, tangi. Ngi, a koroua of ours, Huirangi Waikirepuru was his name, who both Tururu and I had the pleasure of meeting and learning from. That koroua explained to me that ngi is not dissimilar to the Chinese qi. It's like an energy, right? I mean, think about the way we use that energy with air, like te hangi, right? As we've enhanced the breath and energized it, so it cooks our kai. Hangi, you see? Tangi, to be imprinted with grief, is te tā, like tā moko, to be imprinted with that level of energy, tangi. The kuia, you'll hear the sound they make when they seek to dive into our hearts and put out our emotions. The sound they make is ni, and it's enough to reach right into your heart and pull out all of your emotions. It's to initiate the tangi process.